Hi guys, this is my first ever video, and I just hope you subscribe to me. So I'm going to paint my door. It's just not to paint it, to finish it. I already started last week, and I just want to show you guys how to paint correctly. Lulu, it's not correctly, guys. It's just a DIY painting by me. Sorry, my bad. So I'm finished with this one. As you can see, it's so dirty. I have got a little one in this one. So we have to. You guys just watch, enjoy, and learn. I don't know if you need to learn. Just for entertainment. So I'm going to use this. I don't know if you can read it. Kind of color. It's not showing you. Yeah, the color of my door. It's not showing. Yeah, just like that. It's something, it's light gray, so it will be nice with the mix with the color white wall I have. So I'm going to open it now. Yeah. And we're going to mix it. So guys, I just have this brush for mix. I never use it anymore. And it's not too a lot. As you can see it's not too much inside because I already used for 3 doors with this one. This is a small one. You don't have to, use water, because some paint, you have to put water on to mix on. But this one, you don't need. Yes. Well, I have this one, but I'm not gonna put this one here because it's already color white, and I still need this one for my other room to paint. So I still need this one. First, what I'm gonna use right now. It's this one. It's an empty container from color white paint rather. It's for that. Yeah, for for anti something like that. It's totally in French. I'm sorry guys, you can't understand. It's anti-humidity. I wear a mask and I hardly do. So yes, I did this one before. I'm gonna shake this one. So I guess it's ready for putting here. So you can see well what I'm doing. It's pretty nice now. You can see that. This is ready for paint. I'm ready to put it on. Just remember this one. I'm gonna put it here. It's just like that, guys. It's so sticky. Something like that. So guys, we're done with that. So guys, this is ready. And I already put some from from my mixer toothbrush. And I guess that's it right now. I don't know where I will start. It's probably in this area or that. I guess here. And that putting tape. I'm using this one. I don't know if it's the right, because I just hope the white paint won't take off when I will take it off after the paint. So guys, let's start. And I guess I'm going to show you the right angle so that you can see how I paint. And this inside, by the way, it's not that too perfect or too clean. It didn't have to be perfect. So let's start. I guess nice. No, it's so nice, guys. I don't know if you can see the difference. I will let you check it by yourself if you see the difference. Just don't check somewhere there. But as you can see right now, the first time I make the paint, and now it's so nice come out. I just wait for the tape scotch for I'll take off so you can see the difference. But right there you can actually see it. Look, we'll wait for that. Okay guys, I'm going to put you again now. I'm going to do at the down. Door now, and I need to refill this box because it's, I guess, I use for the first door, and so, yeah, we have of course door gloves, so it will be safe for us because it's so hard to take off the paint from our body. I already tried from the beginning. I never wear any gloves. Then oh my god, it's hard to take it off. I use soap and it's not working. And I use the, how you say that? I forgot the name. It's retainer or thinner or something like that. I try it in my hand and it burned me. Totally, it burned me. And I'm itching everywhere. I don't even know guys if this is enough. I don't have any more. I just buy a very small one. I don't know how many ml is this. It's just for 5 meters square. It's so, I don't know where is the millimeters show, but I don't know. I guess I have to buy a new one for finish it. So we have to save a lot, so I'm gonna use this one first for start at the corner of the door, and maybe we can, I'm a save all that. We have to save, we don't have any more. I still have a bit here inside for everywhere in the door. And so let's start. Wait, I'm going to put this on here. Like that. And we can start the door right now. And I guess you will have to stay there. Just like that. Yeah. Perfect angle for you. See that? Oh my god. I have to put something on me. I'm gonna take it off. Oh my god, it's so ridiculous. Never mind, I will take it back later. Guys, I don't know if I can finish all the 3 door. No, it's actually 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, 4 like this, because 1 and 2 on the other side, 3, then another door for the 4. It would be not enough for this one, so I guess I have to buy it first, continue next time. And this video will end here, and I'm gonna show you the result later on, just maybe for photo or video, but I don't think I'm gonna show myself. And yeah, it's not perfect, but I guess it's free. I'm not paying someone or an expensive one. I'm going to do it by myself, and I like to do it by myself. You know, I'm not professional. I'm not not expert or something like that. I don't have any certificates or diploma. I just like to explore things that I didn't know, and I want to do it by myself. Independent, not totally. There's a lot of things still that I can't do, that I still need someone on. And yeah, so I have to buy this one first so I can continue. And then this is again, this is the end of the video. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the next video. This is my first video, and I guess hope you will support me. And yeah, I'm still thinking to share the next video for you guys. Thank you, and have a great day.